We did a pilot with this, one of their first platforms, or software as a service really, they hosted a XML database for us on the SIPRNet. And one of the key things that came out of that was by having DISA do software as a service, the Army didn't have to accredit it and do DICAP.
Right.
And so we knocked 9 months off the timeline at the beginning because we got the XML database back as a service already accredited. So that was really key for us. I mean, really when you're trying to move fast. The second one, I mean, CJ said it. Application cleanup's huge.
Right.
I mean, it really is going to force the migration to more modern operating environments and get rid of a lot of old stuff. The second one that's not obvious is identity management. So as we've moved to the DISA's private government cloud, we have rigidly enforced two-factor authentication using the DMDC database as the authoritative source. And so now we can finally get after fine-grained access to data, because we're all using the same central database with 3.8 million users in DoD as the authoritative source. And so now you can start doing access control at that database.
Wow. Yeah,
you know.
I'm thinking of that one.
So that's really key, and we're seeing that. The final one I would talk about is accessibility.
Okay.
So we're finally seeing the potential to eliminate VPNs. So now that we have email in the DISA DoD cloud, all I need to get on is a CAT card, a PKI card.
Right.
I no longer need a VPN. So DISA's architected the security such that even from a personal computer, I can get to my email with just a CAT card. That's huge.
Well, yeah.
So now my data is in the cloud, almost equivalent to Google. As I travel around the world, instead of going a VPN locally to data that's in headquarters DA, it's always in the DISA cloud. So when I'm in Korea, it's still in the DISA cloud, and I can get to it versus having a VPN all the way back to headquarters DA. And so as a CIO, one of the things I'm seeing is you can really get access to data anywhere if we architect this right.
Wow.